Hi folks, it's Cheryl here. I wanted to do a quick tutorial on how to link your King Soopers loyalty card to PAFC so we can take advantage of their community rewards program and get quarterly donations. And if you don't have a loyalty card, you can pick one up at the cashier at the store, or I can show you in a second on how you can do it online. So to link your card and PAFC together, it has to be done online. It can't be done in the store. So I'm going to walk you through those steps to do it online. It's very simple. First, you go to King Soopers website, which is simply kingsoopers.com, and then you'll get the website. Okay, in the upper right hand corner you see sign in, and it's a little tricky button because it doesn't always stay as you scroll down, so try to get it lined up underneath the letters there. My little tip, it's a little funny. So you click the sign in, and this is the sign in page that gives you the option to, if you already have an account, to put your email and password and then go directly to the landing page for your account, or you can create an account. So let's go over there first. It's a straight, simple sign up with name, email, and add password. So here are the two options below. If you don't have a card, this option on the right, create a new super card, you can click that, and below it's going to give you a box where you put in your phone number. So that would be your ID number that you use when you check out, and that would set you up with an account. And so you just simply put in your 10-digit phone number and then click the boxes or unclick them if you want. And this is for email, and this is for if you don't want them to pass on your information, and then create an account, and that's it. If you already have a loyalty card and you've already checked or created an account online, then you would check this box here, add my King Super loyalty or number, or you can put in your phone number here, and that would also create an account for you. I don't have my King Soopers card, so it's linked to my phone number, and I just put that in and I was able to create an account. So the same thing, the boxes to check or uncheck, and then create an account. So there you go with that. I already have an account, so I'm going to go back and just get me logged in here so you can see the next step. Okay, you can remember me, that would be great. All right, so here is the log in into the home page for King Soopers. You go back to the right hand corner there where you see your name, grab it carefully, and then you click My Account. There's your landing page with your account summary, but you want to go over here to the left hand side once you're in, and you're going to see Community Rewards. You want to click that. And here you go. This is where you set up and connect with Partnership for Age-Friendly Communities. There's a box right here that you're going to search, and I just simply type in partnership. Except if I can spell it correctly. And you'll see it's over here on the right-hand side. And then there's the enroll button. A quick click. And you see that we are now, or I am successfully enrolled in the Community Rewards with PAFC. And so there you go. It's quite simple. In fact, it's so King super simple. And then over here, you can just log back out and you're done. Voila. So thanks so much for your support. If you have any questions, let me know.